Hello friends. In previous video we talked about shorts videos. Now in this video we will cover about YouTube long videos. YouTube long video is an easy and great way to earn. Before creating a YouTube long video, you need to determine your topic. One is the trending topics that are in the news that day or period and people are searching for them. Similarly, hashtags and video tags will be used. In this way, when people search for this trend or topic, your video will also be shown. Thousands of people search every day. Your video will also get hundreds of views. But if the content is lively and people will like and comment, then the same video it can also get millions of views because YouTube will show this video in the top videos based on people's likes. Often you must have seen that even on a channel with less subscribers, the video views are millions. That's the miracle behind it. Another way for long videos is to search the channels related to your topic and check the latest videos in that day or period which are getting more views. Copy the title, hashtags, video tags and description of the video and add them by making minor changes to your video. You will see amazing results because having the same content will show your video in the suggested videos of the most watched videos, which you can get up to now. Views will get as long as the videos are running, while here also lively content and like comments can add your video to the trending videos. The most important thing for YouTube videos is that if the scene of the video is changing every 7 to 10 seconds, then this video gets a lot of reach. Make a show and your video will go viral quickly. In upcoming video we are working on how to viral video or any content. We will talk about how to make any video viral and get more views in details. So friends, I have to say goodbye now. Soon we will upload new video. So subscribe our channel, Infotech, and press bell icon, and get instant update. For any question you can comment below, we will surely answer, also give your feedback. Share and like the video.